The aviation industry is a cornerstone of global transportation, connecting people and businesses across continents. At the heart of this industry are commercial jet manufacturers that design, develop, and produce aircraft used by airlines worldwide. These companies shape the aviation sector through technological innovation, economic influence, and engineering prowess. In this video, we will take an in-depth look at the 5 biggest commercial jet manufacturers in the world, their history, aircraft models, technological advancements, market strategies, and future prospects. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel for more aviation-related videos. 1. Boeing. This aircraft manufacturing company was founded in 1916 by William Boeing in Seattle, Washington. Started as a small aircraft manufacturer and has grown into the largest aerospace company in the world. Initially producing military aircraft, Boeing ventured into commercial aviation in the late 1930s. The company's breakthrough came with the Boeing 707, which revolutionized air travel by making jet aircraft widely accessible. Boeing currently has 11,592 commercial jetliners in service, making it the largest commercial jet manufacturer in the world, which also accounts for almost half of the world's fleet. This number includes various aircraft models such as the Boeing 717, a short-haul jet designed for regional markets, Boeing 727, once a staple for domestic flights, now mostly retired, Boeing 737, the best-selling jet of all time, widely used for short and medium-haul routes, Boeing 747, the iconic jumbo jet that defined long-haul travel, Boeing 757, a versatile single-aisle aircraft, Boeing 767, a popular choice for cargo and passenger transport, Boeing 777, a long-range, wide-body aircraft known for efficiency, Boeing 787, Dreamliner, an ultra-efficient long-haul aircraft incorporating cutting-edge materials. Boeing has consistently led the industry through its innovative designs, fuel-efficient technologies, and strategic partnerships. Boeing has pioneered several technological advancements in aviation. Boeing's technological innovations include 1. Composite materials, used extensively in the 787 Dreamliner to reduce weight and increase fuel efficiency. 2. Advanced avionics, incorporating fly-by-wire systems and advanced cockpit automation. 3. Autonomous technologies, research into pilot assistance systems and AI-driven navigation. 4. Sustainable aviation, investments in biofuels and hybrid electric propulsion. Boeing, as the top leading manufacturer in the aviation industry, has faced a bunch of challenges, including the 737 MAX crisis, supply chain disruptions, and competition from Airbus. However, the company continues to invest in next-generation aircraft, such as the rumored new mid-size airplane, and is exploring hydrogen-powered and electric aviation solutions. 2nd, Airbus. Airbus was established in 1970 as a European consortium aimed at competing with American manufacturers. The company gained traction with the Airbus A300, the world's first twin-engine wide-body aircraft. Over the years, Airbus has grown into a formidable competitor to Boeing with 11,104 commercial jetliners in service, making it the 2nd largest commercial jet manufacturer in the world, with production facilities across Europe and a global customer base. Airbus produces a diverse lineup of aircrafts, which includes the Airbus A220, a fuel-efficient regional jet acquired from Bombardier. Airbus A320 family, the leading narrow-body aircraft competing with the Boeing 737. Airbus A330, a versatile wide-body aircraft used for both passenger and cargo operations. Airbus A340, a long-range aircraft that has been largely phased out. Airbus A350XWB, a highly efficient, long-range aircraft designed to rival the Boeing 787. Airbus A380, the world's largest passenger plane, now discontinued due to shifting market demand. Airbus has driven innovation in aviation through fly-by-wire controls. Airbus was the first to introduce this technology in commercial jets. Airbus technological innovations include 1. Next-generation materials, extensive use of carbon fiber composites in the A350. 2. Fuel efficiency, advancements in aerodynamics and engine performance. 3. Autonomous capabilities, development of AI-driven flight systems. 4. Sustainability, research into hydrogen-powered aircraft and alternative fuels. Airbus as a manufacturer faces challenges, including production delays, supply chain issues, and geopolitical factors. The company is focusing on decarbonizing aviation through its Zero initiative, which aims to introduce the first hydrogen-powered commercial aircraft by 2035. Third Embraer, founded in 1969 in Brazil, Embraer started as a government-backed project to develop domestic aviation. The company has since become a leader in regional and mid-range jets, with 1,857 commercial jets in service, competing with Bombardier before expanding into the larger commercial market. Embraer's lineup include Embraer E135, E140, E145, been the early regional jets used worldwide. Embraer E170, E175, E190, E195. The E-Jet family, which dominates regional aviation. E2 series, next-generation jets offering improved efficiency and passenger comfort. Embraer technological innovations include 1. High-efficiency engines. The E2 jets feature advanced Pratt & Whitney engines. 2. Fly-by-wire systems, enhanced stability and control. 3. Compact, efficient designs, optimized for regional routes. Embraer faces a lot of challenges, including stiff competition from Airbus and Boeing, but continues to focus on sustainability, hybrid electric propulsion, and urban air mobility. 4th, Comac. Comac, founded in 2008, is China's state-owned commercial aircraft manufacturer with 161 aircrafts in service, aiming to break the Western duopoly of Boeing and Airbus. Here are some aircrafts produced by this manufacturer. 1. ARJ-21, a regional jet designed for domestic routes. 2. C919, a narrow-body jet developed to compete with the Airbus A320 and Boeing 737. 3. CR929, upcoming, a wide-body aircraft under development with Russia. Comac technological innovations include 1. Indigenous aircraft development, reducing reliance on foreign manufacturers. 2. Advanced aerodynamics, improvements in fuel efficiency. 3. Strategic partnerships, collaborations with global suppliers. Comac as a manufacturer faces certification challenges and competition, but is supported by China's massive domestic market. Sukhoi. Sukhoi is a Russian aerospace company established in 1939, is renowned for its military jets, but has ventured into commercial aviation with 133 aircrafts in service. Here are some of the manufacturer's productions. Superjet 100, SSJ New, a regional jet aimed at domestic and international markets. Sukhoi technological innovations include modern avionics, integration of Western technology with Russian engineering, aerodynamic efficiency, optimized for fuel savings. Sukhoi, as an aircraft manufacturing company, struggles with international sales due to geopolitical issues, but is investing in localized production and next-generation aircraft. Boeing, Airbus, Embraer, Comac, and Sukhoi are the 5 largest commercial jet manufacturers, each playing a crucial role in global aviation. While Boeing and Airbus dominate, Embraer excels in regional markets, Comac represents China's ambitions, and Sukhoi brings Russian engineering expertise. As aviation evolves, these companies will drive future innovations, sustainability efforts, and technological advancements in the skies. Subscribe and check on my next video on this channel.